Today I'm going to show you how to use two Dante AV-H cameras and Dante Studio software as video sources for a Zoom meeting. During a meeting, you may want to use a second camera so you remain on camera while showing something relevant to what you're discussing, such as a sample, a lab demo, or dry erase board. Some classrooms or meeting spaces also have multiple cameras, one which you might want to designate as the primary feed and another as a secondary feed, so remote participants see more of the room and the people in it. So let's get started. First, we'll open up Dante Controller and route our cameras to Dante Studio. That's already running on my PC. I'll subscribe the first camera to Dante Studio Video Channel 1 and the second to Dante Studio Video Channel 2. In conferencing spaces or classrooms, you can use the Dante Managed API, available with Dante Domain Manager or Dante Director, with third-party controller touch panels, rather than using Dante Controller to make video routing changes. This can simplify video routing for meeting participants or professors. To see our video sources in Zoom, we'll want to open up Zoom and navigate to the video settings. We'll select Dante Studio as the camera source. And of course, while we're here, we can set Dante Virtual Sound Card, an AVO USB, or other Dante device for our audio I/O. To add a second camera, once in a Zoom meeting, click the Screen Share button. Click the Advanced tab. Choose Content from Second Camera and click Share. Click Switch Camera in the top left to rotate through the video sources available to Zoom. Stop when you see video from your second Dante AV camera. And now you're all set to get the meeting started.